Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall be looking briefly into the common errors in Excel. So there are a number of errors, of course, but as per this video and our level, I will take you through the 3 common errors that we are most likely to experience when using Excel. Maybe for data analysis, maybe making a budget. So these are the 3 most likely common errors that you are going to encounter, and how you can easily mitigate or correct them. So this is the budget which have already been prepared earlier on, and so far the 3 errors are reflected here as well. So the first and the most common errors is this one here. Look like the sign for the ceilings, and there are very many. So in case you experience this kind of an error, it is an indication that the cell is too narrow for the figures. So by being narrow, that means the easiest way to solve it or to correct it is to expand the cell. So to expand the cell, you put your cursor here and you expand, and by this we'll have easily solved this error in the Excel. As simple as that. It is simple when you know, but if you don't know, it becomes a bit complicated. Number 2, which is also a very common error when you are doing data analysis involving division, that is when you are dividing any number by 0. It always brings you this error. So you should not really be surprised, because this is an Excel. So when you get this error, that means the number, you are dividing some number by 0. So let's first look into it. Let's say you divide any number by 0, maybe this one by 0. See, it is bringing in the same error. So to mitigate this, you can use the inferior function. I know it's very complicated, but you can use the inferior function in order to correct this. Let's look into another error. Is this one here, the name. This one here, when you experience this kind of error, they are showing you the formula. It is for the formula, not the function. The formula you are using is not being recognized by the Excel. Maybe one of the parameter is missing or is not correct. For example, when you say we divide this is sum, let me say equal to sum divided by, maybe we divide by any letter, maybe we divide by letter R. What are we going to get? See, it's now bringing us an error. Maybe we say we divide by letter E. It's now bringing us this same error. So that means the formula is not being recognized by the Excel. So colleagues, these are the 3 most likely errors that we are going to encounter frequently when using an Excel. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.